Today we're going to be making asparagus and salmon. So we'll be placing the asparagus on the bottom with the crisper tray.
And I'll be placing the salmon on the top on the boil tray.
What? We can do both at the same time?
Both at the same time. And this 0.5 cubic foot, 1750 watt is very powerful. Very easy to use. 5 modes, and we simply turn the dial. We're on broiled grill, which is what we're going to use. You can toast 9 slices of toast. You can warm it up, which is great for all steam cooking. That's what you do.
So you could put all kinds. You could put broccoli on here, salmon on here at the same time. Is that correct?
Potatoes, meat. We used to have
Amazing
it
product.
all over the kitchen. Now you have it on one sheet pan. So we're on broiled grill setting right now. We'll simply hit select. Very easy to use. It goes to 485 degrees. We simply hit select again. It sets to 15 minutes. Because we have the asparagus, we just want to touch it up to maybe 18 minutes, and off we go. Simply hit start, and now we're grilling in superheated steam.
There's no smoke, but when you open that door, I wonder if you'll see some steam. Yes, look at the steam. Ah, the aroma of that steam. That's delicious. Brown on the outside, looks deliciously moist. It's been hydrated with superheated 485 degrees steam. It's not drying the food out, it's moisturizing the food. It's keeping the texture of the original salmon. Todd, we cooked something else in
Also
there.
cooked asparagus.
Well, let's see how it came out.
Okay.
Wow, brown on the outside, deliciously moist on the inside. Look at the steam. This is it. This is a revolutionary 485 degrees sharp, superheated steam. There's nothing like it in the marketplace. And $399. It is a showstopper. It's a revolution. It's about simply better living, brought to you by Sharp. And also, Appliances Connection. Thank you, Mark.